Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today I want to share with you my process of this daffodil painting in watercolor. In last video we drew this daffodil with pencil easily, right? So we are going to be painting individual flowers in watercolor today. So look at this. Yeah, what a beautiful painting and colors, so bright and vivid. So right, and six outer petal and one round petal inside, a few stamens and pistil here. So here is my materials colors: brilliant pink, permanent yellow light, and olive green. And this is a mixture of the cerulean blue and cobalt blue. Okay, and then if I need need another color, I'm going to use on my palette colors. Okay, first start this painting in main focus flower. Okay, let's start by wetting the petal area. First get very light permanent yellow color and cover full flower area. And use the tip of the brush and take some very thick and strong color and tip of the petal area. Okay, this is the first layer for this flower, and let it dry this flower and move on to buzz flower. And take some strong thick color. Use the tip of the brush and touch it. The flower, the narrow center, tip side and under. The flower meet the stem area. Okay, and let's move on to main flower. Now I'm wet the paper only petal area, outer petal area. And then also same direction, get a thick and strong color. Touch the tip of the brush, tip of the flower area, flower petal area. And this is first layer, and we have to wait this paper until dry. Now it's not dry this paper, just a pink mix and yellow color. So I wanna touch it a little bit darker and different color. Put on here. Now I'm the brilliant pink mix yellow color, so I'm going to put on the inside petal. You need to this area for pistil and stamen area, we have to leave white space there. Inside this inside this petal very curly, and so okay, can you see this green color for actually this stem for we can see inside green color, see? Yeah. So I'm touching with green center of the flower. Okay, and then this look at this flower. Flower petal has many lines in here. So we need to draw some line on the petal. I want to make this second flower a little more bright color, so add some this yellow color. This is the second layer. Okay, move on to the space. Then I wanna draw this area, but then this water is not dry yet, so have to be careful, and so take out the water in the brush. Take some stem color, get very thick color, kind of creamy color. Okay, and then touch it, move my brush very quick. Here is a stamen and pastel. Actually, same color, right? But then if we try same yellow, cannot see the anymore that pastel. So I added some different color on there. And we cannot follow the same color and shape or original flower and original some view. So just we can get the same image, what is that, or what kind of building, what shape. Yeah, just we can try it and open your imagination. Okay. And all done, but then I want to try background area. It's not, I don't want a simple, so yeah, a little bit dangerous, but I wanna with the paper hole part, I want to drag out this flower color, go to outside. And then next, what I'm doing now, my plan is use some splatter technique for the background. And more yellow. Okay, bottom on the ground. Here is the table and ground, but we cannot see any yellow in the here. But I wanna add some yellow because too much yellow flowers the top area. So I wanna connect and something beautiful painting. So I'm adding on here yellow color. And then here a little bit of put on inside the grass. Okay, we are used the splatter technique with orange color and yellow and some, yeah, I'm going to some blue color for ground. Finally, I want to add some orange color here. So this looks so simple. So I'm using this orange. This daffodil flowers, so many type of the no, not different type of the flower. So some is kind of this same color, some flowers inside orange, and this petal color white. So I'm changing this orange color, so it looks so simple. Okay. Okay, we today we used Wedone technique and a splatter technique. So this we used a splatter technique on the background. So this make it look more natural and your painting will flow better. So open your imagination, okay, and don't hesitate, add something and change color. Okay, we are all done this painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.